Hello. So as you can see, a lot of us have said that rationalizing numbers and also rationalizing the denominator was one of the issues that we have found when revising for the test. So in this short video, we're going to go through rationalizing the denominator again. It's going to be as quick as possible. I will make another video where we go through the test if you want me to. So what does rationalizing the denominator mean? So if you have any numbers with a third or square root at the bottom, we don't like that. So how do we get rid of it? We multiply by 1. What is going to be a 1? It's going to be the same number as the denominator over the exact same thing. So for example, if we have 2 over square root of 7, we will multiply by square root of 7 over square root of 7. If we had square root of 3 over square root of 11, we will multiply by square root of 11 over square root of 11. So let's see how this works. So if you have the first question, 3 times square root of 5, you will get 3 square root of 5. And square root of 5 times square root of 5 is just 5. And that's your answer. For this question, it will be the same. 2 times square root of 7 will be 2 square root of 7. Square root of 7 times square root of 7 is just 7. There goes your answer. What happens when you have 2 square roots at the top? Square root of 3 times square root of 11. So inside numbers stay together. So 3 times 11 over square root of 11 times square root of 11 is just 11. Now multiplying 3, square root of 3 times square root of 11 is square root of 33 over 11, and you're done. Sometimes you'll see a number and a square root on top. If that is the case, you just multiply by the square root of 3 over square root of 3, and you keep the outside numbers by themselves, and you multiply the inside numbers together. 2 times 3 is 6, and square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. Lastly, the only other question you probably see is if you have, if you have square root of, let's say you have square root of 7 over a number and a square root. You only multiply by the square root part, not the number. So square root of 3 over square root of 3. So now square root of 7 times square root of 3 is square root of 21 over, keeping outside numbers together, keep the inside numbers together. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. Neaten that up. Square root of 21 over 2 times 3 is 6. And that's it.